Okay, I'm talking about VENOM kit. Actually, I'm working on it. There is still some issue. There is some bugs here and there, but they will be solved. I've identified those. And so I wanted to describe how it works. Actually, the undo is not supported, but it will, and the basis is there. So here I have a mesh that I have just a basic material with my own settings, with weighted normal by polygon area, and everything is soft. I will check the vertex normal tools, and I can select the hard edge. You see there's no hard edge. If I convert everything, even if I soften all, I have nothing set as hard edge, and I will create the vertex normal from this set vertex normal. So now I have this mesh with a vertex normal, and as you can see, there's a lot of issue with the shading, especially on polygons where you have n-gons. So I will jump to a different visibility of the mesh. I have to check the visibility here. So I will turn the wireframe to none. So this way, if I didn't select, it will get shown without the wireframe. So you clearly see there are some cuts, and I mean, not cuts, but the normals are really wrong, right? Even if on those areas where you see the directional light that it should be just round is not round, it's totally deformed, and here and there you are seeing some artifact here and there, and that's really not enjoyable at all. But you can fix this with my little tool. So if I remember well, I will take a look at the little key map for this. Let me take it at just a moment. So actually, okay, it's Control-Shift-N in my case. So I will just select, or I mean, I will just mouse over this object, and this object is the result of VENOM edited vertex normal. So as you can see, there's no artifact at all. It's the same exact shape. Okay, the mesh is completely the same, but this one is with the manual vertex normal editing, and so it corrects a lot of issue with the shading. Okay, so for instance here, if I take a look at this one, at this area, you see that the highlight is really strange, and even here it's completely distorted, right? So it looks really difficult to manage, but here in this little area I have to edit point by point, but I'm creating this workflow with just few clicks. So now as I select this object, and now I will use the Control-Shift and N on the other. Sorry, I have to test this on this one because it's not edited. Control-Shift-N, and as I enter this, I enter in a new mode where I can see the vertex normal. So here I've edited this island here that have coplanar polygons, right? So now the shading is good in this area. I will just highlight the area that I'm talking about. So now those polygons are hard weighted by a selection. So what I'm actually doing is I'm in item mode. I can see the vertex normal, and I can just press Control-Shift and N to set for this coplanar polygon the weight of the normal. I will do this here also, and you see that now it's clearly much more fine in terms of shading. So I can do this everywhere, just fixing here and there the shading. I can even do this for multiple isolated islands. So here we have an island that is flat right here, and we have also this one, right? So also here we have another one. They are all facing in the same direction, but you can see that if you didn't edit the vertex normal, they are pointing in an average direction related to those three different polygons. So here, here, and here. So you see that the top one are not pointing in the right direction. They are a little biased, okay? So in order to fix this, and especially also on this one, on this area, I will do this later on a different script, but it will be available. I know the system, how I can build it. So here I'm still in the item mode. I will probably hide the visibility of the vertex normal. Where is that? It's in the view. I have a shortcut for this, but cannot remember it. Okay, so now we are again here, and I will set them with Control Alt Shift N. Okay, so maybe it's a bit complex in terms of key, but it works. Now it's flat on this area. On this area here, over here, it's also flat here. It's fixed. You see that the shading is much better, and now the normal are correctly pointing in the right direction. So yeah, this is one explanation, one little show off of this script, and I hope to use it soon. But yeah, it's really enjoyable to edit vertex normal like this. Just pressing a key and hard weight this element. So it's subtle, you cannot see clearly sometimes the effect, but with some highlight you clearly see the effect of it. Even on this area you see that's completely broken. I mean the solve of this one is not good, and actually the goal of this is also to do this on round shapes like those, okay? Because if I select those polygons and see the vertex normal are a bit not really, I mean, there is slightly a difference between, I can show this, there is a slight difference between the different elements. I mean, they are not always pointing in the right direction. For instance, I will show maybe those. It's clearly obvious here. You see that this one is pointing outside of the element. If I'm going onto the top view, you see that it clearly point out to this direction, and even this one inside it. So it's not good, but I have the solution for this with the soon released VENOM kit in the SMONSTER club membership. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and let me know what you think about this VENOM kit for editing the vertex normal. See you. Bye bye.